So to share links out to get free leads and to help you do this, you have to build the multi-property squeeze page, which I already have built here, or you should already have built in a sys. For example, if I wanted to do a link for all the homes in Ariel here, and I go through here and do it like this, I would grab this link and copy it. Once I copy the link, all you do is go to your social media, say Facebook or LinkedIn. Say I was going to go to Facebook, I would open it right here, paste the link in there as you saw, that same link I got from the Google Drive or wherever you're holding your forms. And then right here, this is all the homes for sale in that area. Then I would highlight the whole link, not a letter at a time, but the whole thing. It's very important. If you do letter by letter, it'll vanish. Once I highlight the whole link and delete it, you can see it's right here, gone now, but the link is now embedded in the picture. And then I would say, check out, these great homes. If I spelled it right, in Ariel Village or something like that. Then you can say these homes are updated daily, et cetera, et cetera. And then once you post that in there and it loads up, there it is. Now when I go ahead and I click it right here and it opens up that link, this is what a client would do when they see the link and it opens. There's all the homes right there. Then it has great homes. That other picture was not the greatest picture, but if you watch the video on single property squeeze page, it shows you how to make those in the YouTube channel. So right here are some great homes. This has, as you can see, 9 total listings on this village to reduce, and it gives you a quick market if you want a market report, anything. And then if people start clicking to look at it, it's going to go through and start to capture their information. Very easy, very simple to do. All you do is cut and click. It's the same thing you do when you're doing in LinkedIn. You'd open your LinkedIn, you'd copy, paste, and make the link just like you did here in Facebook. It would make a preview, and then you would load that preview. Now, if you don't like that front picture and you want it to be a different picture, when you cut and paste the link and you're building the single property squeeze page, you have to find an MLS picture you like, and it'll say, where do you want it to post? And if you watch the video, it'll show you how to do that. And then you'll pick that MLS number. And this is an easy thing to do to post every day to get leads. Good luck.